Hey there, everyone! Your friendly bookworm is back with an even deeper dive into the fascinating world of Chinese-style picture books. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore this fantastic trend in children's literature like never before. Are you ready? Let's go! For a long time, the picture book market in China was primarily dominated by Western-style illustrations and themes. But in recent years, there's been a remarkable shift as a growing number of people in China and around the world are discovering the beauty and wisdom of traditional Chinese culture. This growing appreciation has given rise to a new generation of Chinese-style picture books that blend the best of traditional Chinese art and modern storytelling techniques. And let me tell you, they're taking the world by storm. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about these Chinese-style picture books? Well, let me break it down for you. These books are more than just pretty pictures. They're a celebration of China's rich cultural heritage, showcasing traditional Chinese themes such as folklore, history, and philosophy. By combining these themes with captivating illustrations and engaging stories, Chinese-style picture books provide a unique and immersive reading experience for children and adults alike. One of the driving forces behind this trend is the rise of talented Chinese illustrators who are embracing their cultural roots and drawing on traditional Chinese artistic techniques to create visually stunning picture books. These artists, like Huang Li, creator of the popular picture book The Seed of An, are not just masters of their craft, but also deeply passionate about preserving and promoting traditional Chinese culture. And the results are nothing short of spectacular. But it's not just about the incredible artwork. These Chinese-style picture books also cater to parents who want their children to develop a strong sense of cultural identity and appreciation for their heritage. In a rapidly globalizing world, where cultures and traditions are often diluted or lost, many parents in China, and beyond, are turning to these picture books as a way to instill a deep appreciation for the beauty and wisdom of traditional Chinese culture in their children. And let's not forget about the educational aspect. These picture books are a treasure trove of wisdom and life lessons. For example, The Seed of An tells the story of three little monks on a journey to understand the laws of nature. Exploring Chinese philosophy like the Tao follows the nature and the most gorgeous returns to the plainest. By exposing children to these themes at an early age, parents hope to cultivate not only a love for reading but also a deep understanding of the rich cultural heritage that underpins Chinese society. Now, you might be thinking, surely, this is just a trend in China, right? Well, my friends, think again. These Chinese-style picture books are gaining international recognition, with many being translated into multiple languages and receiving prestigious awards. For example, The Seed of An was awarded the Freeman Book Award Silver Award for Children's Literature in the United States and was selected for the annual book list of the Paris Library Association in France. Talk about global appeal. This growing popularity of Chinese-style picture books reflects a broader trend of increasing interest in traditional Chinese culture, both within China and around the world. As more and more people come to appreciate the beauty and wisdom of traditional Chinese art, literature, and philosophy, the demand for Chinese-style picture books is likely to continue to grow, both in China and internationally. In conclusion, the rise of Chinese-style picture books represents a significant cultural shift in the world of children's literature. By embracing traditional Chinese art and themes, these works have not only captivated the imaginations of young readers, but also played a crucial role in preserving and promoting traditional Chinese culture in an increasingly globalized world. So, whether you're a parent looking to introduce your child to the beauty of Chinese culture, or simply a lover of great art and storytelling, be sure to keep an eye out for these fantastic Chinese-style picture books. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for exploring China with us. Smash that like button, comment, and share. Subscribe for more and drop your questions or ideas below. Together, let's showcase this amazing nation. Catch you in the next video.